in the former video about passive incomes, it's as if you need a lot of money to start a lot of these stuff. So people were asking me, what if I don't have any money? What if I'm a student? And they're like, and it just takes me back to my days in school. When we started this, we actually didn't have any money. I was just teaching basic guitar, and people started to bring opportunities my way, and I was able to make some meager income. It wasn't too much, but I believe it's worth it. So I'm going to show you quickly 3 things that you can do. Okay, yes, obviously some you might have heard before, some you will not really know how much opportunity is in it, but the good thing about this is that you don't need money to start. Okay, you just put it together, push it through, then as it begins to work, you scale it up into a business. Certainly the first one is social media. So this one would have been like WhatsApp, which I don't believe WhatsApp is a social media. WhatsApp is a messenger, but WhatsApp is not too bad for this. Facebook is fine, and the other social media handles, you just post products, you keep posting products, people ask about it, and then you are able to sell it. Okay, so you are doing like some kind of drop shipping, you are buying it from somewhere else and then selling it somewhere else, but it seems like you need money to buy and sell. But this is the way to do it without having to pay. So you are certainly going to have to do this without any money at all. This is what we are coming to do. You can call it e-commerce, you can call it drop shipping, you can call it, you are not exactly flipping because you didn't have to buy it, but this is what I did in my day. So you take a product, whatever product that you want to post, especially if you've been creating content about something for very long. So for the ladies, you are beautiful, you do nice makeups, you can take a makeup product, you can take a beauty product. If you're a foodie like myself, you can look at some food products. Okay, for me, what I was doing in school, I was doing musical instruments, and I was doing actually bass guitar strings, and I was selling it. Sorry to all the people who have bought from me, but I believe I gave you value. I was selling it twice the price. Okay, so what I do is that, so when I'm broke, I just put it on my status that strings are available, pre-order only. So your order is confirmed when you pay. You know me, I'm popular, I'm all over the place. So you tell me you want it, you send me the money. So usually I wait, I get 2 or 3 orders, then I zoom into the market and go buy it. When I buy it, I come back and then I distribute it to the people. Okay, another thing you can probably do is, when you get the money for one person and you go to the market, you can buy 2, because remember, you are selling this for almost twice the price. People really want it from you. People are lazy to go to the market. People don't have time to spare. You can actually stock. Okay, so there are some advantages in it. So you go to the market and then you go and now buy it and stock it up, and then you now come and distribute it to the people. Okay, now doing this, you have to be very, very careful, because your products have to be worth the price. Okay, so 3 things you need to look at. You have to make sure that it's very quality products. You have to make sure that you have very prompt delivery time, that people get it as soon as possible. The people should not pay and have to wait and get worried and the like. Okay, so your service and delivery time has to be really top notch, and don't fail them in the end. Don't take their money and disappear. There's a temptation, especially when the thing is very expensive to do. Okay, so this is what you are doing. You just take any product at all, you put it out there, people are interested, you see you have to pay before you pick it up, you go and pay it, you send it down to them. I actually do free delivery. Put your delivery into the price and say, if people like free delivery, people like free delivery, so you should do that. It works pretty well. It worked very well for me, actually. And then the last one is consultancy services. So usually what happens is, if you have expert knowledge in something, if something that you are good at, and you're putting on social media, people begin to call you and ask you for advice on the phone. The trick is to give on phone advices for free. Be very generous with information, just give it out and walk out, give it out. But when they invite you to come over, you're like, you have to buy me fuel. So they invite you to come somewhere just in Accra, they buy fuel for 500 Ghana cedis. So you have some more money for yourself. You can actually increase it as the demand increases. Okay, so you look at that as well. You don't need money to start this, but it can become really, really lucrative. Okay, feel free to ask me specific questions. Day by day, I will begin to expand these things into more details so that it works better for all of us, and we can do this together. Share with a friend who needs this. I'm glad you stayed through. See ya.